bishaaro 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 waxaa lagu bishaareynayaa dadweynaha Soomaaliyeed in jaamacadda Cosmos International University oo ay ka baxeen 7 dufcadood iminkay soo kordhisay mastarro cusub. jaamacaddu waxay ku taallaa dalka Cameroon. KIU oo bahwadaag la Puntland University of Science and Technology iyo jaamacadda Green Hope University. Master programmeska jaamacaddu idin haysana waxaa ka mid ah School of Business and Management Science oo aad ku baraneysaan MBA of Business Administration and Management, MBA in Logistics and Supply Chain Management, MBA in Human Resource Management, MBA in Project Management, Master of Science in Applied Statistics, Agriculture and Food Science oo aad ku baraneysaan Master of Science in Animal Production and Veterinary Medicine, Master of Science in Crop Production, School of Security Studies oo aad ku baraneysaan Master of Security Management and Intelligence, Master of Security and Policy Studies, School of Health and Medical Science oo aad ku baraneysaan Master of Science in Public Health, Master of Reproductive Health, Master of Radiology, Master of Health Service Management, School of Arts and Social Science oo aad ku baraneysaan Master of Arts and Intelligence Relations in Diplomacy, Master of Law in International Law, Master of Arts in Urban Planning and Development, Master of Science in Educational Management, Master of Science in Public Policy and Management, iyo Master of Science in Public Administration, School of Science, Engineering and Technology oo aad ku baraneysaan Master of Computer Science. dhammaan programyadaani waxay soconayaan muddo 16 bilooda. qaybta KIU ee Puntland University waxaad kala xiriiri kartaa nambarka *775*788 ama *790*111 ama emailka info@pust.edu.so ama www.cosmosuniversity.org.